Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving deep into a topic that's increasingly critical for organizations looking to leverage the power of artificial intelligence, building a scalable AI workflow. Specifically, we will explore how to automate data preparation, model training, and deployment in production. In today's fast-paced digital environment, businesses face an overwhelming amount of data, and effectively managing this data can make the difference between success and failure. By implementing a robust AI workflow, you can streamline processes, minimize manual intervention, and improve the overall efficiency and effectiveness of your AI initiatives. So, what exactly do we mean by a scalable AI workflow? At its core, a scalable AI workflow is a series of interconnected processes that can efficiently handle growing amounts of data and complexity. The goal is to create a unified system that allows data scientists, engineers, and business stakeholders to collaborate seamlessly in developing AI solutions. A key element in achieving scalability is automation, as it helps eliminate repetitive tasks, reduces human error, and frees up valuable time for your team to focus on high-level strategic activities. Let's start with the first component of our scalable AI workflow: data preparation. Data is the foundation of any AI project, and the quality of your data significantly impacts the performance of your models. However, preparing this data can be a time-consuming and labor-intensive process. To automate data preparation, you need to consider several critical steps. First, data ingestion is the process of collecting data from various sources, which can include databases, APIs, and even real-time data streams. To build an automated pipeline, you can use ETL, extract, transform, load tools. These tools can automate the extraction of data from diverse sources, transform it into a usable format, and load it into your data storage system. Many organizations leverage technologies such as Apache Kafka, Apache NiFi, or cloud-based solutions like AWS Glue to automate this process. Once you have ingested the data, the next step is data cleaning. This step is crucial because real-world data is often messy and can contain errors, duplicates, or missing values. Automating data cleaning can be achieved by utilizing techniques such as data validation rules, automated outlier detection, and imputation methods for handling missing data. By employing libraries and frameworks like Pandas and Python, you can create scripts that automate these cleaning tasks, ensuring that you work with high-quality data. After cleaning the data, the next phase is data transformation. This involves converting the data into a format that is suitable for model training. Depending on your use case, this could include normalization, feature extraction, or encoding categorical variables. Automation tools like Apache Spark can be incredibly useful here, as they allow for distributed computing, making it easier to process large datasets quickly and efficiently. Additionally, you can create reusable scripts that encapsulate your data transformation logic, allowing for consistent application of transformations across different projects. Now that we have automated data preparation, we can move on to the second component of the AI workflow: model training. This is a pivotal step where your cleaned and transformed data will be used to train machine learning models. Automating model training not only saves time but also enables continuous experimentation and iteration, which are essential for improving model performance. One effective way to automate model training is through the use of machine learning frameworks such as TensorFlow, PyTorch, or Scikit-learn. These frameworks often provide functionalities for hyperparameter tuning and model selection, which are critical for finding the best model for your specific problem. Tools like Optuna or RayTune can help automate the hyperparameter tuning process, allowing you to explore various parameter combinations efficiently and find the optimal settings for your models. Another crucial aspect of automating model training is the integration of continuous integration/continuous deployment (CI/CD) practices. CI/CD pipelines allow you to automate the building, testing, and deployment of models. By implementing CI/CD for your AI workflows, you can ensure that any changes made to your code or models are automatically tested and deployed in a consistent manner. Tools like Jenkins, GitHub Actions, or Azure DevOps can facilitate this automation, streamlining the process of getting your models from development to production. In addition to CI/CD, you should also consider implementing automated monitoring of model performance. Just because a model performs well during training does not guarantee that it will maintain its performance in production. By utilizing tools for model monitoring, such as MLflow or Prometheus, you can track metrics like accuracy, precision, and recall, and set up alerts for any performance degradation. This will help you quickly identify issues and retrain models as necessary, ensuring that your AI solutions remain effective over time. With data preparation and model training automated, the final step in our scalable AI workflow is deployment in production. Deploying machine learning models can be challenging, especially when considering the need for scalability and reliability. However, with the right tools and practices, you can streamline the deployment process. One popular way to deploy machine learning models is by using containerization technologies like Docker. By packaging your models and their dependencies into containers, you can ensure that they run consistently across different environments, whether it's on a developer's machine, a testing server, or in the cloud. Kubernetes can also be utilized to orchestrate and manage these containers, allowing for automatic scaling and load balancing as demand fluctuates. Another aspect of deployment to consider is serving your models as APIs. By exposing your machine learning models through RESTful or GraphQL APIs, you enable other applications and services to easily interact with them. Frameworks like TensorFlow Serving or FastAPI can simplify the process of creating these APIs, making it easier to integrate your models into existing workflows and applications. Furthermore, automating the deployment process with tools like Terraform or AWS CloudFormation can help you manage infrastructure as code. This means that you can define your deployment environment using configuration files, making it easier to replicate and version control your infrastructure. This level of automation not only saves time but also ensures consistency and reliability in your deployments. Now that we have covered the key components of building a scalable AI workflow, data preparation, model training, and deployment, let's briefly discuss the importance of collaboration and documentation in this process. Building AI solutions is inherently a team effort, involving data scientists, machine learning engineers, DevOps personnel, and business stakeholders. Therefore, fostering a culture of collaboration and communication across these groups is vital for the success of any AI initiative. Utilizing tools like Jupyter Notebooks or collaborative platforms such as Google Colab can enhance teamwork by allowing multiple users to work on the same project simultaneously. Additionally, documentation is crucial for maintaining a clear understanding of the workflow, decisions made during the project, and the rationale behind model choices. Tools like Doxygen or Sphinx can help automate the generation of documentation from your codebase, ensuring that your team has access to accurate and up-to-date resources. As we wrap up this discussion on building a scalable AI workflow, it's important to remember that automation is not just about reducing effort, it's about enabling innovation. By creating a streamlined and efficient workflow, organizations can focus more on experimenting with new ideas and less on managing repetitive tasks. This not only accelerates the development of AI solutions but also enhances the ability to respond to changing business needs and market demands. In conclusion, the key to a successful scalable AI workflow lies in the thoughtful integration of automation throughout the entire process, from data preparation to model training and deployment. By leveraging modern tools and frameworks, organizations can create a robust system that not only meets their current needs but can also adapt to future challenges. As you embark on building your AI workflow, remember to continuously evaluate and refine your processes, keeping an eye on emerging technologies and best practices that can further enhance your capabilities. Thank you for joining us today. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more insights on AI and technology. We look forward to seeing you in our next video, where we'll explore more on how AI can transform your business.